Okay, good day. For this week, pag-aaralan natin ang topic ng sampling and sampling distribution. And it consists of 3 lessons. First lesson is about sampling distribution of the sample means, finding the mean and variance of the sampling distribution of means, and the last lesson is solving problems involving the sampling distribution of the sample means. Now, bakit natin kailangan pag-aralan yung mga lessons na to? Simply lang because if we want to learn or to study a certain group, or let's say a population, and we want to understand and know something about this group, we need to do sampling method and understand its distribution for us to conclude or make inference about the group or the population being studied. Okay? Now, let's say a researcher wants to learn about a population and describe its properties and characteristics. Let's be specific. Let's say yung researcher natin are educators, or let's say the DepEd. DepEd would like to describe the mathematics performance of grade school pupils in the Philippines. And the purpose is to plan and prepare instructional materials appropriate for them. Okay? Or let's say a businessman would like to find out the most effective brand of cell phone in the market. Or let's say medical experts would like to determine the most effective brand of medicine for fever para sa mga COVID patients. Now, ano ang dapat gawin ni DepEd? Kukunin niya ba lahat ng grades ng grade school pupils sa math sa buong bansa para lamang makapag-prepare ng instructional materials appropriate for these grade school students? Or si businessman, tatanungin ba niya lahat ng population para malaman niya ang most wanted brand ng cellphone? Or si medical experts, kukunin niya ba lahat ng data ng COVID patients sa buong mundo with medicine prescription for fever para malaman niya ang most effective brand? The truth is, it may be impossible or at least impractical to obtain data from the whole population. Diba? Napaka-impractical. Okay? Kaya dito papasok yung ating sampling and sampling distribution, wherein we're going to get a portion from the population, or what we call representative sample, and we're going to determine the statistics and use this numerical measurement in making inference or conclusion about the population. Therefore, if DepEd wants to know the math performance of the grade school pupils in the entire country, what it needs to do is to randomly select samples from the population, okay, and do some statistics from this sample data. And then, based from these statistics, we can know or understand or we can conclude or make inference about the population. Okay, what are the possible findings of DepEd? Let's say mababa ang numeracy of the grade school students sa topic ng fraction. Now, this can be the basis of the institution in finding ways to develop instructional materials for math to address such problem. Okay? Now, in your earlier study of statistics, you have learned about frequency distribution. In the previous lesson, you also learned about probability distribution. And for this week, we will discuss another kind of distribution, which is the sampling distribution of the means. And also, you will learn how to describe the sampling distribution of the means by computing the mean and standard deviation in lesson 2 of the topic sampling distribution of the sample means. So, good luck and thank you.